Okay, welcome back my peeps. Okay, we got a new video. I'm happy, I'm excited. The best things in life are for free. So this company reached out to me, okay, and they pretty much said, we're gonna send you a light. I'm like, cool, send me the light. So here's the link. You see the little description of what is the light. Cool, right? Real quick. And now we're gonna look at the order details. And so that was the total. And so let's look at there you go. Sorry about that. So it got delivered today, October 15, Friday, at 11:37 a.m. almost at noontime. So yep, so it's here. I'm excited, I'm happy, and thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, to ENNOKING LED. Alright, so I'm gonna do the unboxing and then I'll do some testing. I haven't gotten my par meter replaced, so unfortunately I won't be able to do the par grid test on it, but I'll do whatever I can just to show you guys as much as possible about the light fixture. Okay. Okay, so we are gonna do the unboxing of the EK or the ENNOKING. I hope I'm pronouncing the company's name correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and inspect the box to see the shipping. So obviously it was through Amazon, and yeah, it looks like someone, look, it's been messed with. Look, this is not normal. So this is not good. Okay, a little bit dent from here on this corner. My name, ENNOKING. Sorry for the blurriness. Maybe just see. Oh, this won't take forever. I'm gonna beat up here. That's alright. Bang from here. Hopefully it's okay. It looks like I'm mistreated pretty bad, but hopefully everything's good inside. Look again here. Okay, so that's that. Now let's do the sides. Check this out. Man, this is odd. That's a red flag. Gabriel Campos, 6122 August Street, Bell Gardens, California, 90201. Well, this is not cool. So there's mines. You see, yeah. So I went ahead and I marked it with a Sharpie, but yeah, but you see this? This is, like, they put a sticker over it, like they were trying to, this is, that's alarming right there. Yeah, it got abused, this box. But this is the thing that is alarming me. So look, ENNOKING, what they did. They put another tag on top of mines. So I'm gonna peel it off. Yeah. Man. trying to steal it or what? Yeah, no king. So you guys might want to get in contact with Amazon, because this is proof. Why would they have why would they have a sticker of a different name, different address on top of mines? I'm just glad it got to me, you know, but I just hope that they didn't swap the item inside, or else this person's a thief. Gabriel Campos from 6122 Agra Street, Bell Gardens, California. Well, let's open it up and see what's really inside. All right. City, so here it is. Oh wow. It's nice. Let's see what it can do. It's supposed to do a 3x3, and it's supposed to draw 100 watts. That's what it's rated for. The model is the AG-1000. Here are some of the specs. It says grow light, Intel AG-100, power 100 watts, voltage AC 100 to 277 volts, frequency 50 to 60 hertz, ampere 0.82 amps, so less than 1 amp, at AC 120 volts, made in China. ENNOKING. And if you look at the driver, it's model SS 100 PV 56BH. SOSEN LED driver. It doesn't say anywhere. Yeah, so it's a SOSEN LED driver. Yeah, it has some weight. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect it, and we're gonna see what it can do. Alright. Alright, so that's the unboxing video. Hope you guys liked it. Peace, love, and health. Oh yeah. Thank you, EK or EK ENNOKING LED. It's an awesome light. It's super bright. Okay. Thank you.